When someone breaches a contract, someone else typically suffers a loss and seeks to recover that loss in court. But is every loss recoverable? The English case of Victoria Laundry Windsor versus Newman Industries determined the circumstances under which a party may recover lost profits. Victoria Laundry, a company that washed and dyed garments in Windsor, England, wanted to expand its business. To do so, Victoria needed a larger boiler. It found a used one for sale by Newman Industries, an engineering company. In pre-contract communications, Victoria repeatedly stated that it intended to use the boiler as soon as possible. Newman agreed to dismantle the boiler from its premises and deliver the boiler to Victoria by June 5th. However, because the boiler was damaged in transport, Newman had to make repairs and delayed delivery until November 8th. Victoria subsequently sued Newman for contract breach and sought to recover the profits lost from June to November. Victoria asked for both the increased profits it would have made from serving more laundry customers and the profits it would have made from obtaining government dyeing contracts. The trial court awarded minor damages to Victoria, but not lost profits, because Victoria hadn't informed Newman that the larger boiler would be used to expand the business. Victoria appealed to the England and Wales High Court of Justice.